Hi everyone! For my field trip assignment, I chose to go to the Rookery Bay Environmental Learning Center. I chose this location because it was conveniently close to my campus down in Naples and because I had heard great things about this learning center. I spent most of my time here down in the first floor around the touch tanks and microscopes. One of the first interesting facts I learned was that Rookery Bay National Estuarine Reserve protects over 110,000 acres of Collier County's coastline, which is shown on this map. This learning center contains an abundance of marine life, and during my first visit, I was lucky enough to have Jean, a master naturalist who works here, to answer any questions I had. The touch tanks contained a variety of marine animals such as sea stars, sea urchins, horseshoe crabs, spider crabs, pistol shrimp, hermit crabs, and many more. In this clip, we are being shown how the pistol shrimp gets its name. It snaps its claws so fiercely and loud that it can be heard clearly from above the water. The water tank also contains a 14-foot red mangrove. Red mangroves are composed of its leaves and prop roots that help support the mangrove. Mangroves are a very important primary producer in Southwest Florida coastline. Mangroves provide food and shelter to marine organisms. They also protect the shorelines from erosion. Mangroves also filter water and maintain water quality and clarity. They also slow down coastal erosion by trapping sand within its roots. This is an important concept that I learned during this trip. Before this, I did not know how significant these trees are to our coastal shores. This small tank also showed me how much variety there is near our very own coast, which is why it's so important to be educated and to protect our environment. There was also an area dedicated just to phytoplankton. This area displayed brief descriptions of what phytoplankton are, where they are located in the environment, and their significance to marine life. There were even microscopes available to see some sea jelly, larval sea stars, and a number of other young animals in our estuaries. One marine animal that really stood out to me was the lionfish. I was able to distinguish its anatomical features easily due to my background in this class. I drew an image of the lionfish that points out its different fins. The anterior dorsal fins have venomous spines, the posterior dorsal fins have non-venomous spines, and the anal fin is non-venomous, but its anal spines are. The pelvic fin has a venomous spine, and the pectoral fins are non-venomous. The fish caught my attention because it's such a beautiful creature, and upon learning more information about the fish, I was told that the lionfish are actually non-native to Florida waters. This poses a threat to our native marine life and habitat. Their venomous spines can also cause very painful wounds, and they often use their large fins to herd prey into a corner before consuming them whole. It is actually encouraged to fish and remove lionfish from our local waters in order to protect our native marine life. In conclusion, my trip to the Rookery Bay Learning Center taught me a lot about my local marine life, and I would strongly recommend that others stop by and visit this wonderful center.